again, it's Kirsty from First Melodies, your first steps into music, melodies and making memories. And today I have another tutorial song for you on the ukulele. Now this one is Bad Habits by Ed Sheeran. This is in the original key, so you can play it along to the track on YouTube or just play it along with me. And I've simplified the chords so it's easier to play for beginners. So the chords of the song in the verse are B minor, and we're going to play it like this. Then we're going to play our D major, which you should know. Now our G sus2 might be a new one for you. It's very simple. And then our A, nice little transitions. And then we also have in the verse right at the very end our E minor, or E minor 7, E minor, or E7, similar. And then in the chorus again, all similar chords, and we're adding a G, our triangle chord. And then the only extra chord that we use in the song is a G flat minor. There we go. That's our G flat. And it's like a backwards triangle. So it's exactly the same concept as the G, but we're moving it up in the triangle. So again, it's quite a fast song, so see if you can keep up with me. If you come to my one-to-one lessons, I can teach you finger placement, and I can also teach you rhythm training, so you can do the same rhythm as me. But for now, just play along as best you can at home and enjoy this tutorial video with the chords. So we're starting on our B minor. Ready? Let's go! Every time the sun goes down everybody. I really tried to make sure I kept the pace a little bit slower than I usually play it for all of you, but I hope that you really enjoyed it. And once you get the hang of this, try and play it to the original track, because that's always fun too. Enjoy, have the best day. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. I'm Kirsty from First Melodies, your first steps into music, melodies and making memories. Have a great day. Bye!